So I will discuss about various methods of doing online tuitions or managing an interface between students and the teacher. So instead of using any of the white screens app, I have simply used Microsoft Paint, and here everything can be done whatever we want, and it can be done in a much better manner than any other app so far I have used. Say for example, I will pick up a topic, say, which is very common to all of us. Like say, if my topic is about water, I have chosen this topic because this can be understood by anyone. So I have clicked on this text icon. From here I can write down whatever I want, like today's date, say if it is June 6, 2020, and subject is chemistry or science, and say the topic's name is water as a compound and elixir of life. So this is the topic. This topic actually is not taken from any textbook or anywhere. I have just chosen this topic because it is very easy for all to understand, because water is common to all of us. Now if we need to write anything about water, like what are the different sources of water, so it is as simple as this. While I speak, I can write also, and I can share the screen with any of the screen sharing platform like Google Meet or Microsoft based video conferencing tools, and then either we can type the answer here, or you can write it also. You can write from here. Say I can do it with the help of a pen tablet also, but without using pen tablet also, if you have good practice, you can do it with your finger even. So I have chosen this pencil from here, and then I can write that the different sources of water are. Now since I use pen tablet, so here the handwriting is not that good, but if I use a pen tablet, then handwriting can become much better. So I will connect one pen tablet and I will try to do it once again. So the pen tablet which I am using is of Wacom, and it's quite popular. Most of the online tutors, they use Wacom's pen tablet, and there are various other types of pen tablets which can be used, which can be found out through online shopping portals. So maybe I can write here one. Now this is what I am writing with pen tablet, that is why I am little fluent. So it could be pond, river, fountains, lakes, sea and ocean, and rainfall. Now if I want to increase the width or the thickness of the font, then I can choose from here itself. Say I have chosen the first line which is thinner, I'll take little more thicker, and then I can also write here that the drinkable water is scarce in universe. Or on earth. So if I make any mistake, I can simply do Control Z, and that will be deleted, and I can make whatever changes I want to do. Like drinkable water is scanty. If I want to change on earth, because most of the water out of 3/4 portion of earth is either in salty sea or in the form of ice. If someone asks a question and say if I want to highlight the question in different color, I can choose a color from here, and then I can write give the chemical structure of one molecule of water. You can number it also. Number 1, this is the answer, then number 2, and then I can write the answer with again different color. I can choose it very easily, and then I can write from here that one oxygen is bonded with one hydrogen and another hydrogen like this, and there are two lone pair of electrons. And then we can write down the points that, or we can elucidate it further. Now if I want to draw a line from here, it will become like, say if I want to draw like, it will not be straight, isn't it? So there are options that I may draw a straight line by simply choosing a line from here, and then this line will become very straight. Now we can start the second phase of our discussion, and then again we can choose one pen, and then we can say that oxygen atom has 8 electrons in its outermost in its atom, such that 2 electrons in the first orbit and 6 electrons are there in the second orbit. So these 6 electrons are arranged like this. So we can draw one oxygen, and we can write the electrons, 6 electrons in electron pair form, 1 electron here, 1 electron here, 1 hydrogen here, 1 electron here, 1 hydrogen here, 1 electron here, and then we can draw circle like this. So we can draw a number of structures, like say if you want to give some illustration, and one more line if I want to draw, so that this comes under a box and it looks distinctively different. So I can simply make one box over here as clean as this, as nice as this. And then say if I want to explain about reasoning based question, so I can write down the question over here, so it will be easy. I can choose a text and I can write that why the volume of water increases when frozen, unlike other matters which contracts on cooling. So we can write down the answer in points over here, or we can write with the help of pen also. We can change the color of the pen and we can write answer here. It will be so nice and clear. First, water has a unique property. Second, when water is frozen, then the molecules come closer and shows maximum density at 4 degree Celsius. Below 4 degrees Celsius, water molecules tetrahedral structure arranges in such a way due to hydrogen bonding that empty spaces are caused or created. This results to increase in volume and mass remains same. So density of ice is lesser than water and volume of water increases on freezing. Of course, below 4 degrees C. So if we want, we can decrease the size of this font, or we can choose any font we want. So if it is 18, we can make it 12. We can make it italics. We can change the color, and we can further explain the hydrogen bonding and void formation by simply choosing a pen and drawing the structures. Say if there is one hydrogen molecule here, water molecule here, then another water molecule will be here, then one water molecule will be here, and water molecule will be here, and one water molecule will be here. It is such that this water molecule is coming out of the screen and this is going away from the screen. So it forms a tetrahedron. Then where are the water molecules? So our water molecules can be drawn very easily by choosing any other molecule, any other color. So I will just take like this. This is oxygen, hydrogen, 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 and it is bonded with this oxygen, Again, this is bonded with this oxygen, this is bonded with this hydrogen, this is hydrogen bonded, and again this is hydrogen bonded with this hydrogen, this is bonded with this hydrogen, and in this way they start forming hydrogen bonds. So formation of these hydrogen bonds leads to formation of void, empty space. And this takes place at a temperature below 4 degrees C. This was a theoretical topic. So if we are doing numerical, we can make number of separators for given value, rough work and calculation, working formula, and then main body of the solution. So we can make lots of fragments in this screen using MS Paint. It's super easy to do it. Alright, thank you.